Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the geophone has active mobile data and enough balance or a valid data pack. This powers the hotspot. Once done, open Settings, find Network or Connectivity, then Personal Hotspot or Tethering. Make sure to set a recognizable SSID name and choose WPA2 with a strong password so devices can connect securely. Now toggle the hotspot on. The phone will begin broadcasting. This initial setup prevents random access and readies the device for client connections. Once the hotspot is active, fine-tune the settings to balance speed, range, and battery life. You can limit the number of connected devices, 1 to 5, so performance stays stable, and set an automatic shut-off timer if idle. If the geophone exposes an AP band option, pick 2. 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Also enable any data saver or usage caps to avoid surprise charges. These measures keep the connection reliable and predictable. Now connect your laptop, tablet, or phone. Select the Geo SSID and type the password carefully, then confirm the client gets an IP address. If the device shows connected but no internet, first toggle mobile data and hotspot off, wait a few seconds, and turn them back on. A quick restart of the geophone often resolves routing glitches. If problems persist, verify the carrier APN settings or reset network settings to restore default tethering parameters and retest the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.